With the opioid crisis in the news on a daily basis, as a nation, we are scrambling to find ways to help. While there is no one answer to this issue, the concept of limiting opioid prescriptions is starting to be proposed and accepted in certain areas of the country. In fact, several states have placed limits on the amount of painkillers that a physician can prescribe. In these cases, physicians are only allowed to prescribe opioid painkillers for 7 days or less. While this one practice would not end the opioid crisis, California legislators are looking to limiting opioid prescriptions as part of the solution. Whether or not they decide to go this route, we can all agree that something needs to change in order for us to overcome this epidemic. There has been a lot of discussion around preventing addiction, but we need to be sure that we are not forgetting those who are already struggling. As an addiction treatment center in California, we see the devastating effects that opioid addiction has on individuals and families, and we're here to help. If you or a loved one are struggling with opioid addiction, contact us to start recovery.